So Halloween is cancelled, and I won't be defeated by COVID. I decided to celebrate Halloween in my own home. So I will show you what I will do today. So let's go. It will be spooky. First, you can try to make some kind of a outfit from scratch with clothes you already have. And why not use some of your own makeup to recreate this beautiful dead lady makeup. I use like all kind of makeup. I use like a lot of things I have to do this beautiful makeup. Uh, Look at that. So I have like Velvet Fawn by Lisa Eldridge on my lips. Then I use like some lip liner from NYX in pumpkin. That's for the season. Then some Kevin Aucoin sculpting powder on my cheeks. Another NYX makeup palette for some green and bluish tones under the eyes, and an old, very old Urban Decay 3 Naked 3 palettes with all these beautiful purplish grayish. Oh, you can see my phone! And Inception. So yes, I only use that, and I know I speak funny. I try to be in the character. So I'm dead. So I'm not in the best mood. Yeah, I'm not in the best mood. Anyway, I am kinda angry, but hey, we will try to do our best today to celebrate. Then you can have some coffee, but in a cute mug, because even though you're dead, you like cute things. You can also decide to finish this little Satan, because why not? Spend some time with your Lord and do a piece of art in His glory. You can also go outside and enjoy the Halloween celebration around you, and then realize that you're alone because it's locked down. No one else is outside anyway, so you go back home. To heal your soul, you can also carve a pumpkin. That will give you a bit of joy. So that's how I spent my Halloween day. I will try to bake the pumpkin seed because I saw we can do that. I never tried it, so I will certainly do that tomorrow. And well, I wish you a happy Halloween and I hope you had a great day.
Bye.